Gunrunner and Gunslinger feature a V-neck collar and the classic 4-snap front with buffalo nickel heads. On the inside, a cell phone pocket and 2 concealed carry pockets. 2 outside pockets with hidden snap closure. The Gunrunner has a traditional cut, while the Gunslinger has side lacing for an adjustable fit. The Gunslinger comes in black, distressed black, and brown. A single panel back for patches and embroidery. The Gunrunner and Gunslinger are your traditional Western style vests.